Basically, I love my work. I enjoy whatever I do. And as Honorable Governor was mentioning it, you should own up. That's what I do in my work. I think that's the biggest trigger.
So you love what you do. I mean,
Absolutely.
That's absolutely wonderful.
In fact, I think this young generation is very well equipped and they are very progressive in their logical thinking. When I see myself as a kid, I think this new generation is very sharp and very clear in what they want. So perfect with all that. What I see they should imbibe more or focus more is on creative thinking and also listening abilities.
Correct.
So I feel that the next generation they just want everything very quickly, so they don't have time to listen. And I understand in any sector, whatever you take up, you should be a good listener. First, try and listen, understand, assimilate it, and then you can give the desired output.
Yeah.
So I think listening is one thing where every new generation person should focus upon. Otherwise, they are doing wonderful. See, I must thank Lexicon Group for a good teamwork. Like they always demonstrate a good teamwork. Today also is one example. What I feel is in times of crisis, at those moments, the personality is tested. Your qualities, your abilities are tested only in hard times. Otherwise, in normal times, everyone can deliver. So I take difficult times as learning opportunities, testing opportunities. You come to know your strengths and weaknesses. And you should have the ability to convert all the threats into your opportunities. With pandemic, I must say, many startups have come up, which people who were at comfort levels at their homes or because they had a good pay package, they were relaxed, they have turned into entrepreneurs. So COVID has contributed in many ways, though it was a great fear for all of us. Now the challenge, what a new incubating institute, it's very easy to have an idea and set up a new organization. Sustainability becomes a challenge. Any idea when you throw up, we have to work on sustainability models, whether it's private sector or government sector, new projects, new initiatives. It's very easy to think and spell out that we need one more Taj Mahal. But there has to be a team, there has to be a force who is aligned to your thought process and works in the same direction so that the output is seen. So for new institutions, I would say that you should have a proper, clear, defined goal, and then you should have a good, well-coordinated, well-knit team who is aligned to you, who is loyal to you, and shares the journey with you and helps the organization achieve the goal.